Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram and get that black theme. It's very simple and very easy, and you just have to follow my instructions and you're gonna be able to get the black theme on Instagram in no time. So let's dive in and follow these steps together. The first step is to check the system settings for Android. Now, to do that, just go to your system settings right here and scroll down to display settings, and here you can choose between light and dark mode. You can just toggle between them like this, wherever you want. Now we're gonna choose the dark mode. After that, open Instagram, which will automatically follow the system here. Let's open Instagram, and as you can see, Instagram is in dark mode. Now let's switch to the light mode and see if it changes. Now let's go back to Instagram, and as you can see, the Instagram followed the system theme. Now the second thing is to check system settings for iOS users. Now if you are an iOS user and you use your phone or your iPad, just open settings and go to display and brightness and select dark mode. After that, launch Instagram to see the black theme. It's very simple to Android. As for the third step is to enable from Instagram app, which is optional, but I don't think it's available in these updates, in these last updates. You can just go to settings and go to theme, but I don't think it's in the latest update. Now for additional tips, dark mode saves batteries on OLED screens, and it's also easier on the eyes in low light conditions. And that's it. That's how you get the dark theme on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.